Are you looking to transfer your Shopify store to a new owner? Well, if that's the case, you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. And you'll be pleased to hear it's very, very simple. So firstly, you need to head over to your admin interface. And from this screen here, all you need to do is click Settings and then scroll down to Users and Permissions. Left click that here. And under the permissions section, you should see a button that says Transfer Ownership. So if you click that, this screen is going to pop up. And just take note that the moment that the transfer is complete, you are going to lose basically your access to the store. And it gives you a little breakdown of what the new owner is going to be able to do. So they can basically delete you off, so you have no access. So make sure that you're sharing it with someone you trust, or make sure that maybe if you're selling your store, everything's gone through. You don't want to do this too early. But anyway, and this is one other important bit of information as well, that they can edit credit card and banking information. So you've got to be really careful with this. So just a little bit of a warning there, and they can even close the store. So yeah, make sure you're certain. But once you are, all you need to do is enter their details. So enter their email address, their first name and last name, and also enter the password, and that's the password you use to log into your Shopify account. Once you've done that, you press the transfer store ownership, and what will happen at that point is the new owner will get an email, and it will basically have a link in there that will take them through to Shopify and will basically confirm the ownership. So they'll need to basically commit to the store and confirm that they're happy to take over it. Once they've done that, then the process will begin, and it will soon be in their name. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button and do consider subscribing to my channel. I've got lots of videos on Shopify and making the most of it for your business. So do perhaps head over there and check out some of those videos. And with that said, I hope you have an excellent day.